If you ever felt the overwhelm of scattered thoughts or struggled to organize your ideas, you are not alone. But fear not. Today, we are introducing a game-changing technique that will revolutionize the way you think and work. Hey there, creative minds, welcome back to my channel. Your go-to space for unlocking your full potential for productivity. And today, we are diving into the fascinating world of mind mapping for creativity and productivity. Without further delay, let's get started with this video. So, what exactly is mind mapping? It's a powerful technique that helps you visually organize your thoughts, ideas, and tasks. Think of it as a colorful and dynamic roadmap for your creativity and productivity journey. Mind maps capture the essence of non-linear thinking, allowing your brain to make connections and see the big picture in a way traditional note-taking just can't match. Now let's talk about the incredible benefits of incorporating mind mapping into your routine. Number one, it enhances creativity by making you break free from linear thinking and unleash your creative potential. Improve memory. Visual association makes information easier to remember by improving your memory. Efficient organization. You'll be efficient at organizing, like streamline complex idea into a clear and organized structure, and your productivity will be boosted to a higher level by prioritize tasks visually for a more focused and efficient workflow. Ready to dive in? Let me walk you through the basics of creating your own mind map. Start with the central idea. Write down your main concept in the center of the page. Branch out by creating branches for key subtopics, letting your ideas flow in naturally. Use keywords and images. Keep it visual and engaging for better retention. Then use better of color code. Assign colors to different categories for quick visual references. While you can create mind maps with pen and paper, there are fantastic digital tools out there to take your mind mapping to the next level. From apps that sync across devices to software with advanced features, the options are limitless. Find the one that suits your style and watch your creativity grow to the next level. With time, I'll be creating video on different apps you can use for this. Subscribe so that when the video is available, you'll be the first to get notified. And there you have it, creative minds, the magic of mind mapping. If you are ready to unlock your creative genius and supercharge your productivity, start mind mapping today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing content, and let me know in the comment below how mind mapping works for you. Until next time, stay creative and stay productive. Bye.